Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning right now. We have to get the pits lit. Gotta get the twins lit today. We have a big cook ahead of us. We're gonna cook 4 pork butts, and we're gonna cook all 4. I'm holding up 3 fingers. We're gonna cook all 4 pork butts on the 2 drums, and I don't have to, but that's what I'm gonna do. So we gotta get the pits lit. We gotta get these pork butts on. So let's just cut right to it again. Let's just get after it, because that's what we got to do. We got to get this done. I got to get them on, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, let's go.
Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Like it fancy, I know what I want. Every day I'm working like a boss. Keep it shining, yeah, I'm like a star. Every day we going. It's just the way we are. It's just the way we are. You know we're all we got. You know we're all we got. We might get dirty, but we brush it off. Until the morning comes, young and reckless, we just living wild. Make every day count, 'cause we can't help ourselves. You know it's just the way we are. It's just the way we are. You know we're all we got. You know we're all we got. You know it's just the way we are. It's just the way. Yeah, tastes like magic. Got to have it. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. I want it now, I want it later. Chasing a dream, put it on paper. Nothing can stop me, not even haters. Bring me that flavor. I want it now, I want it later. Chasing a dream, put it on paper. Nothing can stop me, not even haters. Bring me that flavor. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. This on the tongue, so you know that it's sweet. Loving the flavor, I'm loving the treat. Know what I want, I know this what I need. Give me that bass, give me that beat. Hit on your tongue, I can feel an explosion. I'll take another if we keep it going. Open it up, give a toast to the moment. Open it up, give a toast to the moment. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. Tastes like magic. Got to have it.
Okay, so I made a small mistake. I forgot to film me wrapping the pork butts. My wife was here, she was talking to me, and I needed to do it right then. Also, had a little issue with the pellet smoker, because I had to split everything up and put 2 butts on the pellet smoker, because just to fit with the pan and wrapping it and all that. I had to put 2 over here, and then I still have 1 on each drum. And the pellet smoker had a little error. It popped up with an error code. It didn't light. I forgot to clean out my ashtray, so my fault. But everything's good now. Everything's going great. The 2 over here are probably going to be done really soon. I think that one, they're both right almost at 200. And this one, it's probably going to take another hour or so for this one. But it is what it is. Everything's going great. Everything looks great. I'll try to remember to turn the camera on when I go to start pulling everything. So anyway, see you in a minute.
Yeah, tastes like magic. Got to have it. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. I want it now, I want it later. Chasing a dream, put it on paper. Nothing can stop me, not even haters. Bring me that flavor. I want it now, I want it later. Chasing a dream, put it on paper. Nothing can stop me, not even haters. Bring me that flavor. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. This on the tongue so you know that it's sweet. Loving the flavor, I'm loving the treat. Know what I want, I know this what I need. Give me that bass, give me that beat. Hit on your tongue, I can feel an explosion. I'll take another if we keep it going. Open it up, give a toast to the moment. Open it up, give a toast to the moment. Tastes like magic. Got to have it. Tastes like.
Alright guys, so that is it for now. I got everything pulled. It's in the Cambro, we're ready to go. Just got to go change some clothes and then we're off. We're off to the party. So that's where I'm going to leave it here. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Click the links down below. The website's up. It's running. It's got a bunch of recipes on the website. You can also find links to Instagram. You can see the galleries on there. Some of my videos are on there. So you can find everything from the website. Or you can just, from the link, you can go straight to everything too. So go check that out. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.